night shining like story, called everything's peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling.
Eat your scrambled egg, Lina.
I did.
Find peace beneath
Eat
the
your scrambled egg.
surface. Everything's peachy.
Now solo.
Everything's peachy.
Okay.
Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And M. Night Shyamalan story called everything's peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
When you're eating, you're supposed to sing.
Supposed to eat. Taste time. That's better.
Give you more water.
In this iPad.
You get your iPad upstairs.
I'll get that.
No, you have to eat first.
I forgot. Oh, sleep dress. Let's do wake up. Yeah. How do you sing that? Let me do some. Where is my sparkly? Oh.
Nagliligpit ako dito kay nilipat ko.
Oh my
dyan.
God.
Diyan na kachika nagliligpit ako ng mga
It's mine.
wait lang, pinag-anuhan ko. Nagpuputi ako. Tapos nilipat ko na dyan yung drawer.
I need to do wake up. I'm late.
No, Bobo.
Huh?
Where did you find it?
I found it in a paper bag, and I borrowed. I let Lisa borrow it, but I was asking her a question, but she didn't answering me. Yeah, I got this. Hey guys, let me do something. Time for makeup. First, you put.
Make sure you tidy up this, huh? It's already tidy earlier here. So make sure you put this away later when you finish.
Okay. Okay.
So you already tidy up here.
Wow, that's so beautiful. That's a good idea like that. What is this for? Cream.
Hand, I think.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's for like lotion. Lotion, yeah, I think. Well done. Because the silver one is like washing. Well, look at that big blob, by the way. Georgie gave this to us. Remember? Nina, excuse me. Alisa!
Why? It's not lipstick.
You just put it on already. Yesterday. One time I used to put down my lips before. I used to put in my lips. But then I realised I was like, oh, it's blush. Like, yeah, that's good. I knew that. I knew that, sorry. I didn't even start makeup. So yeah. Let me choose this one.
Get down na. You're messing around with the bed now.
Okay. Then excuse me. That look good. That definitely looks good. Very closer look. Looks so good. Makeup. So let's start to look at our lips. Let me do some more. Let me do some just a little bit.
Day off ko today. Bukas, last day ko na bukas sa aking work. And then, yeah, may talk to Tita Grandma as well.
It's almost robot, by the way. Hey,
It's yours?
hey guys. Hey guys, I'm doing makeup. Pretty girls look like this.
No, don't do that, guys. I'm saving the video.
Oh, you make it dark.
Is it that? Oh, no, sorry.
Well, sunlight now. Okay, let's tell them.
Alisa, nag-video-video din.
Hi.
Naglinis ako. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam pag malinis yung bedroom, nakapag-hover, malinis yung duvet, malinis yung cover and everything.
You're very good, Mama. How you with this? Oh, the big thing.
So, ayun na nga. Day off ko today sa work. What's that, Lina? And tomorrow is my last day bukas sa work ko, mga kachika.
Last day?
And then, yeah, and then by Monday, I'm going to start my new job. May bago akong work, mga kachika. Alam ko marami sa inyo na nagsasabi na, bakit ka alis dyan sa work mo, mag-stay ka na lang. Ganito, ganyan, mahirap maghanap ng trabaho. Alam ko naman yung mga kachika, mahirap din maghanap talaga ng work, pero hindi naman ako basta-basta umalis dyan sa work na yan na wala akong bagong mapapasukan. So, make sure ko muna na meron akong agad malilipatan na bagong work, bagong trabaho, bago ako next move na ano yung tawag yan, yung umalis ako sa trabaho na yan.
The hand cream.
Ayan, good luck to me sa bago kong trabaho. Ano yun nandun? Dati yan talaga yung gustong-gusto ko na ma-experience na trabaho. Pero ngayon na-experience ko na, so mag-ano na naman tayo ng iba na namang experience.
For your new job?
Yeah. Maganda yung ano ba?
Because of hard work. You're hard working.
Maganda ba yung ending nga?
Well,
Sabi ng mga katrabaho ko kahapon, kasi kahapon nag-send na din yung manager namin ng rota for next week. Tapos sabi niya, nagsakay ko siya kahapon yung isa namin katrabaho. Kasi halos dito lang kami banda makatira. Sabi niya, oh, I saw you that you're leaving. Sabi ko, oo, kasi alis na ako. Sabi niya, you got a new job? Sabi ko, meron na din akong bagong trabaho. Sabi niya, oh, I'm gonna miss you. Got-dressed daw siya today. Alina is ready for Halloween and Alisa is Elsa.
Well, I'm ready for Halloween because it was Halloween, by the way. And it's Halloween. I'm gonna wear this for Halloween.
Are you?
Yeah.
And
you have to
it looks
go-
so pretty with that,
You
Lina.
have to find a
It's good when you have a
Halloween.
dark color.
And the necklace.
Yeah. Hindi pa na nila alam kasi kami pa lang yung nakakaalam ba, tsaka yung head ng housekeeper, kanon, kami pa lang tatlo yung nakakaalam talaga. Tapos, ayun, kahapon nalaman na nila kasi nakita na nila doon sa ruta na wala na ako doon, nakalagay doon sa ko na liver na ako. So yun na yung last day ko bukas, last day ko na bukas sa work, mga kachika, departure. So medyo mahirap-hirap kasi bukas departure, tapos the next day starting ako sa bago kong job. So thank you Lord, at saka good luck din talaga sa akin kung ano yung magiging natin ba. Try tayo mga kachika kung ano yun, saan tayo magiging yung panibagong experience na naman. Okay?
Yeah.
Kasi na-experience matagal-tagal, din ako. Din ako sa work na yan, 1 year and 2.5 months din ako dyan. So far na nang simula nag-work ako, yan na yung pinaka matagal ko na work ba. Hindi naman din ako hindi naman ako yung ano ba na umalis dyan. Okay nga lahat na umalis ako. Okay ba yung nagiging ending nga. Nag-dress daw sila today. Alina is ready for Halloween and Alisa is Elsa.
Well, I'm ready for Halloween because it was Halloween, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
And it's Halloween.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna wear this for Halloween.
Are you?
Yeah.
Mm,
And
that's
you
it.
have to
It looks
go.
so pretty with that,
You
Lina.
have to find a
Looks good with the
Halloween.
dark color.
And the necklace.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sabi talaga pamumugto ng mata ko. Sabi pa niya, Alina, what happened to your eyes? Sabi niya, are you okay? Sabi ko, yeah, okay lang. I'm okay. Lagyan ko nito mga kachika. Ito yung bago kong nabili pa. May kamahalan siya, pero matagal mo din naman siya gamit-gamit. Para lang mamala yung dryness ng buhok ko ba. Tanggalin natin to kayo. Tuyo na. Dito na kasi ako ngayon nagsasampay. Ayan yung mga picture nila. Oh. Liliit pa dito. Ayun, malalaki na. Ayan. Post nandoon pala ito mga nagtulong sa daddy daddy nila mag ayos ng trampoline. Kailan nag-symbol dyan mga kachika. Ayan. Kanina pa yan siya dyan. Buti na lang din huminto yung ulan kasi kanina umulan. Haba ang pasensya niyan pagdating sa mga bata. Sa akin wala. Iksi ng pasensya. Cheeseburger.
Mama.
Thank you.
Look.
Nagpo-shopping kasi yung daddy nila tapos agoy, pangit. Nagpabili siya ng Happy Meal. So, Alisa, tapos ngayon sila kumain. Alina, make sure you finish your salmon. Alina, nandito kumakain pa kasi kapapasok niya lang yan dahil she has been playing outside.
With my friends.
Sweet potato.
Let's see what's inside.
What's inside the what's your surprise? Huh?
I forgot that.
Okay.
No?
I didn't have money.
Yeah. It's a gorilla.
You got gorilla as well, sir?
There we go.
Gorilla. Gorilla.
Oh no, you see?
I love it.
A gorilla.
Oh, look at our red eyes. Hi. This is the mum and this is the daddy. Hi. Sit down. Sit.
Pag ito na finish your salmon.
chimpanzee, not a gorilla. It's a chimp. Let me see.
What is that?
Chimpanzee, like a monkey, but it's an ape. Chimp. Supposed to be chimpanzee. Like that. See? Read it.